Halloween is almost here and it's time to have fun.
It's time to have fun.
With your kiddos. And today we are going to make Halloween pumpkins. And we're going to be using our fingers and our Tulip Soft Brush On Fabric Paint. You ready to get your fingers dirty?
Yep.
Yep. All right. We're going to do 3 different small pumpkins and we're going to be using my fingers and Lily's.
Yep.
Yep. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's make it.
Ready with me, fire!
Good job. Let's make
some Halloween ghosts and spiders. Blah, 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 blah.
Next up, ghosts. How cute are our pumpkins?
Good.
Yeah, and there are fingerprints.
Yep.
Yep, this was...
These are going to be the candies, and these are going to be the ghosts, and then these are going to be the spiders.
The spiders.
And then these, why do you put presents on?
I-
Why do you put bows on them?
We put bows on them to just jazz them up a little bit. But this is such a fun craft to do with your kids. For more great projects using my favorite Tulip products, make sure you check out Tulip's website and follow them on social. And of course, check out craftboxgirls.com. We have tons of Halloween projects using our favorite Tulip products. You like it? Isn't that cute? Okay, don't pull, don't pull. We don't want to ruin it, right? They're so pretty. All right, can you tell everyone goodbye?
Goodbye.
Say happy Halloween.